Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today I'll show you how to create a team inside BoloSign. Let's quickly get started. Firstly, head towards the team section. Right on the top, you'll get the option to add a team member. Once you click on it, you'll get various options which you have to fill in while creating a team inside BoloSign. Start by adding a title to your team. You can also add various emojis as per the team members. Once you've added the title, then head towards adding the email address of each team member. You can pre-select the list which is provided on your screen. Rest, you can also type in and add the email address of the member. Once you have added all the team members' email address, now comes giving the access to your team members. Once you click on it, there are three access roles provided to the team. First, read only, where they can only read the document. Editor, once you have given the editor role, the team can edit and send the document. And once you have given the admin role, now the user now the team member can edit, send, and even delete the documents. Once you have given the correct role, now you can select the form, PDFs, template, folder, files, and guide as per their requirement. Once you click on the drop down menu, you will see all the list of your document. Either you can give the where they can see all the where they can see all the forms as per their role, and if you want, you can also select the relevant documents as per the team requirement. Once you have given once you have given the title name along with the email address and the role and the access to each and particular document, you just have to click on create document. Once your team has been created, now let's see what is the difference between team and collaborator. Under team, think of a team as a group container for users within your organizations like marketing, legal, and customer success. You can assign the same role and access to everyone in the group. Best for structured teams like dev teams, legal teams, etc. One setup applies to all members, which saves your time. Now, while adding a collaborator, it means that you are adding an individual user whom you invite to your BoloSign workspace outside of the team system. You can add individual users with custom roles and custom resource access, best for power users or external reviewers who don't fit for standard team. They can even be a part of a team but still have a different access level. Now that you know the difference, start building your first team and collaborate smarter with BoloSign. Thank you.